Hello everybody, how are you? I am Muhammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: according to MAP guidelines, if a component or system is at or beyond to original equipment manufacturer into OEM time or mileage service interval, you should select your answer and click submit or suggest service or replacement or require service or replacement, recommended service or replacement. Inform the customer that service or replacement is needed. The correct answer of the question: according to MAP into manufacturers automotive protocol guidelines, if a component or system is at or behind the original equipment manufacturer OEM time or mile gauge service interval, you should recommend service or replacement. The correct So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.